This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like sucking the juices out of a prawn head, you are going to love this recipe. Today we are making salt, black pepper and lime prawns in an air fryer. I have here 250 grams of relatively large grey prawns. Cut off the front sharp parts of the head. And split the shell from the back. Cut into the meat a little and remove the vein. Put the prawns in an oven-proof dish that fits your air fryer. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix this well until you do not see the white of the cornstarch. Arrange them in a single layer on the dish. Sprinkle coarse black pepper on top. Bake this in an air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 8 minutes. Turn the prawns halfway through the cooking process. If your prawns are smaller than mine, reduce the cooking time accordingly. The prawns are done when they turn pink. Sprinkle quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of lime or Calamansi. Mix this well and garnish with some spring onions. This is a very simple salt, black pepper and lime prawns done in an air fryer.